Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, confirm your Microsoft Edge version is 77 or later on your device. Open the address bar and type edge//settings/default browser to go directly to the default browser settings. Find the option labeled Allow Sites to be Reloaded in Internet Explorer and switch it to Allowed. After changing the toggle, close all Edge windows and restart the browser to ensure the setting takes effect. Keep administrative access ready. Next, add specific sites that must open in IE mode for compatibility. In the same edge//settings/default browser page, scroll to Internet Explorer mode pages and click Add. Enter the full site URL like https://intranet. Company, local, and save the entry to force IE mode for that domain. For large deployments, administrators create an enterprise mode site list XML and host it at a central URL or file path. For example, to use IE mode, open a site you added or need to test for compatibility. Click the three dots menu and select Reload in Internet Explorer mode to switch the current tab. When active, Edge displays an Internet Explorer icon in the address bar, so you know the mode is enabled. You can close the tab to end the session or uncheck the box to stop persisting the mode. Edge offers a checkbox to remember IE mode for the site for 30 days by default.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.